Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Courtyard Rochester Brighton. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are 1 swimming pool, free parking, airport shuttle, free, non-smoking rooms, fitness center and a bar. This hotel offers air-conditioned rooms with a private balcony. It features an indoor pool and fitness room. There are laundry facilities on site. Eastman House is 8.7 miles away. Courtyard Rochester Brighton's rooms have modern bedding which includes a pull-out sofa bed and custom comforters. Each room is fitted with cable TV and pay TV. Each room has a comfortable workspace with an ergonomic chair and good lighting. There is easy access to electrical outlets and free coffee in all rooms. Guests can check the news updates and weather conditions through the GoBoard. Free Wi-Fi is available throughout the hotel. Courtyard Rochester Brighton is 5 miles away from Rochester Museum and Science Centre. Strong National Museum of Play is 4.4 miles away. Greater Rochester International Airport is 4.3 miles away from the property. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.